morning. Now, tell me about yourself.
Yes, self-introduction. I wrote it 10 times and learned. For the next 15 minutes, I am going to perform. Good morning, sir. I'm from, my hobbies are, my interests, my education qualification. I secured rank 1 in, I speak, my date of birth, my nationality, my gender, my achievements. And I'm very much interested in joining your company. Thank you. Jokes apart, is this what you have to say in your self-introduction? Is this what your employer wants to hear from you? How can you make your self-introduction impressive? Let's see. First impression is the best impression. Now, this statement is very much true in interviews. With the question, introduce yourself, your employer must have assessed you within the first 3 minutes. Since this is a short question in interviews, you will be preparing it beforehand, usually by hearting your own resume, which you had already submitted and will be in the hands of the interviewer at the time of the interview. So this is not the response that they will be expecting. Then what? Okay, let me tell my life story, which is not there in the resume. I have been in this field for the last 5 years, and I gained confidence through my experience in this field. And recently I came to know about this opening in the company, and I think this job suits me well. So I applied. This is not a fair response. It's all about I, me, and my. While asking about yourself, what they expect to know is how your strength and skills can be beneficial for the company or the institution. To make your response impressive, you will have to concentrate on the 3 S. What are they? Success. What are you good at? How much you are successful in your career? If you are a teacher, you can say, many of my students have opted my subject for higher studies after developing an interest in it after attending my class. This is a statement which does not seem to focus on your I, me, my statement, but surely showcases your success as a teacher. 2. Strength. As a teacher, you can say, I can understand what my students need. I am flexible to address the slow learner as well as the brightest in the class. And my students are very much comfortable to talk to me as I am a good listener and I don't listen to judge. That's it. So remember to let your interviewer know that you use your strengths and skills for the benefits of others. 3. Situation. This is to substantiate the first 2, success and strength. How you are going to apply your success and strength in the new situation. How is it going to benefit the new institution or organization that you are expecting to join? You can make your response like this. Your institution has been working with a potential team. I'm very sure that I can sink in well and contribute to a greater outcome. I've been looking for a platform like this to invest my energy and enthusiasm, which would cater to the development and growth of the company as well as mine. Nailed it. These are just tips on which you can develop further. Remember, the interviewer mostly asks questions based on your response. So, be comfortable, confident, genuine, and ultimately be yourself, the best you. Good luck.